wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best remote control outlet switches. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with 3 sockets suitable for applications like tungsten lighting or ballasts. The Woods Outdoor is a medium-duty power strip intended for use outside. It maxes out at roughly 1600 watts though, so don't use it to run lawn care equipment. It comes with grounded and polarized plugs, however it does have a shorter range than most, and it offers no individual circuit operation. At number 9, if you're ready to take your setup from a collection of removable outlets to something that integrates a little more seamlessly with your home, then consider the Insteon dual socket. Installation can be tricky, but it's worth it to get rid of bulky plugs. This one accepts timers and IFTTT instructions, but note that the remote is sold separately, and it's a bit on the expensive side. At number 8, the Woods photoelectric is a good choice for properties outfitted with powered decorations or automated lawn care systems. Its dial-controlled timer ranges from 2 to 8 hours, and it's also able to wake up with the sun, then deactivate itself at dusk. It's equipped with power and sensor indicator LEDs, and the timer repeats daily until turned off. However, the dial tends to let water leak in. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for remote control outlet switches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, one of the most versatile choices on the market, the GE myselectsmart comes in multiple manual configurations, such as with optional dimmer or countdown integration, as well as automated versions with door, light, or motion sensor activation. It's equipped with an attractive switch panel and compatible with all lighting types, but it is more costly than traditional options. Moving up our list to number 6, with an aesthetically pleasing switch, unlike some cheap handheld models, the dewenwils wall wouldn't look out of place in a recently remodeled home. Its power port faces directly to the side, allowing for clean and flush cable management. It's also offered with a standard remote and supports up to 15 amps at 120 volts, plus it leaves the upper outlet available. Halfway up our list at number 5, the perfect companion to outdoor water features or holiday lights. The dewenwils Heavy Duty has a timer that runs for up to 8 hours in 2-hour increments for automatically powering off decorative installations when needed and helping to keep energy costs down. Its UL listing ensures safety and it's built to withstand most weather. It offers an extremely simple setup and operation. At number 4, with snug-fitting socket covers and a legitimate IPX4 protection rating, the etekcity Zap 1FX can stay outside without worry. It boasts a somewhat greater range than many others, able to receive signals from almost anywhere inside a house. It's built with UV-resistant materials and comes in a pack of 2, both of which are protected from short circuits and overloads. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, it's evident that many design elements of the Goronya wireless have been factored in to enhance usability, from easily accessible learning controls to lightweight, pocket-sized remotes with large protruding buttons that are clearly labeled and generously spaced out. This one's good for the elderly and disabled, and the plugs have a strong plastic casing. It can turn off all outlets at once. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for remote control outlet switches, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, offered in a 5-pack with 2 proprietary clickers, the JTech Digital 3rd Generation are an ideal solution to complex indoor lighting setups. Featuring grounded outlets with a 1200 watt capacity, they're great for a wide variety of home fixtures. They have an operational range of up to 164 feet and are backed by a 1-year warranty. They're also sold singly. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the etekcity kit comes with 3 plugs and 2 remotes and offers a level of dependability rarely found in such inexpensive devices. It's easy to set up and provides simple yet effective control over 1 outlet on each wall power box. It's FCC and ETL listed with an operating range of up to 100 feet. It's a very well priced 3-pack. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for remote control outlet switches, or simply click beneath this video.